We have chapter 2, number 2 here. It just asks us to solve. Let's do A. We have 2x minus 4 is equal to negative 12. We have to do the inverse and get x alone. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. When I add 4 to both sides, this cancels because negative 4 plus 4 becomes 0. What is left over on the left-hand side is a 2x. Bringing down that equation sign. On the right-hand side, we have a negative 12 plus 4. This gets you a negative 8. At this moment, we'll see that that 2 is in front, attached via multiplication. So we're going to divide by 2 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with just a 1x. So we can just write x. That's going to be equal to negative 8 divided by 2 becomes negative 4. This would be your answer once you solve for x. B. Okay, we have 1/3 x plus 4 is equal to negative 10. We first of all want to get rid of that 4 by subtracting 4 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a 1/3 x on the left is equal to negative 14 on the right. Here we have a divide by 3, so to get rid of it, we're going to be multiplying by 3. 3 over 3 cancels, leaving you with just a 1x, or just x, is equal to negative 14 times 3. This gets you a negative 42. That would be your equation being solved for x. Next here we have C, 1/2 parentheses x minus 6, close the parentheses, equal to 5. We have a divide by 2 here, so we're going to multiply by 2. 2 on top, 2 on bottom will cancel, leaving you with just an x minus 6 on the left hand side. Bring down the equal sign. 5 times 2, which is 10. That x has a negative 6 that is still attached to it, so we're going to add 6 to both sides. Negative 6 plus 6 will cancel, leaving you with just an x on the left. 10 plus 6 gets you 16. That is after you solve for x. X is equal to 16. Let's take a look here at D. We have a divide by 2 here, so we're going to multiply by 2 to both sides. Once we multiply 2 to both sides, this cancels, leaving you with just an x minus 6 is equal to 5 times 2, which is just a 10. Add 6 to both sides, and this will cancel, leaving you with just an x is equal to 16. Close the box here. So x is equal to 16. Notice C and D here look differently, but they get you the same answer because they actually look the same way. That 1/2 in front of a parentheses is the same thing as just dividing by 2. Okay, so these are the two ways you can see the same thing. Let's look at G here. A lot of people get tripped out because of this negative. Save yourself time and just put it onto the top. So we have a divide by 5 here, so we're going to multiply by 5 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a negative 2x is equal to 40. Next, you want to divide by 2 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with just an x is equal to negative 20. So that would be your final answer here. All right, so there you go. That is how you solve.